Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you as a student how you are going to apply to EnterFinland. How can you make or submit your application document to EnterFinland when you are going to apply for your first time residence permit as a student. So for this you should browse to EnterFinland.fi in this website. Then what you have to do, you have to come down below and first residence permit. When you do not have a residence permit and you plan to move to Finland, yes, you have to click this one, first residence permit. Okay, there is some warning. The application form for EU registration is not working as it should. I think it's not for the student. Okay. First residence permit, you should read all of this. You must apply for residence permit if you plan to stay in Finland for longer than 90 days. For 90 days is a tourist visa. It's not for a student. For a student is 1 year or 2 year permit. So you have to apply residence permit. Okay. Now select the correct application. Okay, I will go for studies. Studying in Finland. Yes. So there is some step. They mentioned that you should get all the documents ready before you start filling this application or filling in EnterFinland. So get ready, check that you have all the necessary attachments and information before you begin. You must have at least a valid passport copy, a certificate of acceptance. So valid passport, I think it should be at least 1 to 2 year valid. So if you are going to apply tomorrow, because it could take time, it could take 6 to 8 months sometimes, so your passport cannot be invalid, it must be valid. So you should have at least 2 years valid passport. I will recommend to get a new passport if you have 1 year expired date or something like that. Okay, a certificate of acceptance from a Finnish educational institution. So you should have a offer letter from your university, and you should already pay the tuition fees, or if you don't have to pay tuition fees, then there should be some document that okay, you don't have to pay tuition fees. A clarification of income, that means sponsorship documents. A clarification on tuition fee or scholarship if applicable. Okay, if you paid your tuition fees, you should have a receipt from the universities. Okay, or if you have a scholarship, you should have a paper from university. A certificate of health insurance. Okay, you should make a health insurance before you fill the application in EnterFinland. So you should make a health insurance for European Union or for Finland. So get this document ready before you come to EnterFinland. Okay, complete the application and select your service point. Okay, after you fill up all this application and upload all the documents, then you can select your nearest service point. Okay, for Bangladeshi students is India, so you must select India, New Delhi, Finnish embassy. Pay and submit your application. The processing of an application is subject to a fee, so you have to pay some fee for your residence permit application. Okay, You can pay this fee with the credit card, or you can also pay directly to the embassy. Okay. And you have to go to embassy for your fingerprint. Okay, for that you should contact to VFS for your appointment. After you complete this EnterFinland application and you have uploaded all the documents, then you contact to VFS for your for your identity check or for your fingerprint. Okay, so yes, then create a new application. Yes, if you already have a ID for your application, you can log in, but for me I don't have. I will create a new user account. Okay, create if you are living in Finland, then you can do with this, create an account using Suomi.fi. But for other residents, other living outside Finland, you have to click this one, create an account using your email address. Yes. So your first name, for example, Mahfuzul Hawk, and date of birth. Okay. Your email address, your phone number. Okay, let's put your date of birth 01/01/2000. Okay, yes, I'm not going to give mobile phone number. You can provide your phone number. Okay, and then password. Okay, password didn't match. Looks like there is some problem. Let's change this password again, and then yes, now it worked. Okay, create a user account. Yeah, it looks like I have already used this account before, so I need to use another one. Okay, let's try with another one. Let's try this one. Let's see if this one works. They're saying this is also taken. Well, let's check another one then. Let's see if this one works. Yeah, it says the confirmation email send. I have to check that from my email address. So guys, you will get a email from EnterFinland into your email address or Gmail address. Okay, and then you have to activate by clicking here. Yes, now you have to click login, and you can log in with your email and password. Okay, let's log in then. Login. So you should have a verification code in your email or in your phone number. Okay, let's see if I get the verification code. Yes, there is a verification code 025320 and send. So now I am inside after, and you can see my name Mahfuzul Haq. So you can use this email ID when you make your account. You can use this email ID and password every time you log into EnterFinland. Okay, so here you can see I have 0 applications. My application sent additional document and new application. Okay, so for you have to go new application and then first residence permit. Okay, now you must read all of this carefully, and then for studies, okay, get ready all of this and then go to the form. So now you have to fill this form carefully. Okay, family name Haq, first name Mahfuzul, gender male. Okay, date of birth, this is not my date of birth, just a demo. Later part of Finnish personal identity code. If you have a Finnish residence card, you can use that last part of your card, but if you are applying for the first time, you don't need this. Country of birth Bangladesh, place of birth Dhaka, citizenship Bangladesh, mother tongue Bengali, English, yes. Professional occupation student. If you are doing something else like job, you can do like job holder or businessman. Current education, of course, I will give secondary level if you are you have completed higher secondary school. Yeah, then go to next. Current contact information. Here is your street address, postcode, city, country, telephone number, your email address. Okay, contact information in Finland if different from above. Okay, if you want to put this contact information, you can give to a university address in which university you got admission. Otherwise you can just leave it. Okay, information on the travel document, it means you have to put information from your passport. Okay, you can give the passport document, passport number, country of issue, and all the details from the passport. Okay, earlier residence in Finland. Are you already in Finland? No. Have you previously resided in Finland with a residence permit? No. Have you applied for or been granted asylum? No. But if you have something like this, you can put yes. What is your marital status? You can put whatever you want. If you're married, of course married. If you're single, single. Or do you have any underage children? Okay, if you have, yes or no. And then next page. Okay, next page, they will ask for supplement, like all the documents you need to upload, and then you have to submit. Okay guys, this is the process how you can and at the end, okay, at the end they will ask for if you want to pay through credit card, or if you want to pay to directly to the embassy. You can select one of those, and then they will ask about nearest Finland. Okay. So guys, this is how you will the application to EnterFinland. I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, comment in my video. Bye bye, take care.